For today's maths warm-up, I'm going to put out 9 playing cards and I will give you a target number and I would like you to find either 2 or 3 cards that multiply together to make that number. So your first number is 36. Stop the video if you need to and see if you can find 2 or 3 cards that multiply together to make 36. So, probably the most obvious would be 6 times 6. 6 squared is 36. You could have had 2 times 2, which is 4, and 4 times 9 is 36. That's the one I thought of, so I'm going to remove those cards. And I will replace them. And I would like you to make 42 this time. Can you find 2 or 3 cards that would multiply together to make 42? And 2 choices, 6 times 7 or 6 times 7. I'm going to take these 2 and replace them. I would like you to make 63 this time. And I think you'll probably have to multiply together 3 cards. Stop the video if you need to. So I spotted 3 times 3 is 9 and 9 times 7 is 63. Let's remove these 3 and let's have I would like you here to find 3 cards that multiply together to make 24. 3 cards to make 24. Stop the video if you need to. I would do 6 times 4 is 24. 24 times 1 is still 24. Okay, let's replace these cards. I would like you to make 81 with 2 cards. 81. And the answer to that would be 9 times 9, 9 squared, which is 81. Okay, can you multiply 2 cards to make 56? Probably spotted. It's going to be 7 times 8. Multiply 3 cards together to make 50. 3 cards together to make 50 or 2 cards together to make 50, your choice. Okay, you could just have 10 times 5 or you could have 5 times 5, which is 25, times 2 is 50. That's the one I thought of, so I'm going to remove those cards there. Oh, we have and a 3. Can you multiply 3 cards together to make 81? 3 cards together to make 81. And this would be 3 times 3, which is 9. 9 times 9 or 9 squared is 81. Okay. And I would like you to make 70 with 3 cards. 70 with 3 cards. Stop the tape if you need to. So I would go for 10 times 7 is 70, times 1 is still 70. Okay, we're going to bring in the kings now, which represent 12. Okay, 12. So can you make 72? 72. Multiply 2 cards together, that makes 72. And that would be 6 times 12. Can you multiply 3 cards together to make 32? 3 cards to make 32, or actually 2 cards to make 32, your choice. So you could have here 4 times 8 is 32, or 4 times 4 is 16, 16 times 2 is 32. That's the one I thought of, so I'm going to take those 3 away and be replaced with, can you multiply 2 cards together to make 60? I think you've got 2 choices here. Okay, you could have 10 times 6, or you could have 5 times 12. 5 12 to 60. That was my choice. And let's have the last one here. Can you make 120? 120 with as many cards as you need to. The Queen is 12 as well. Okay, well, you could do 4 times 5 is 20, and then 20 times 6 would be 120. You could have 12 times 10 is 120 as well. Right, that's today's warm-up finished. If you'd like to head over to My Maths now to complete the lesson and the homework, and you will find all your passwords and guidance on Google Classroom.